A soft flower spell. Objective: to rest in warmth and safety. Select a comfortable place to relax on, such as the floor or a firm cushion under your hips and back. Your hands should remain still, your neck relaxed, and your feet can lightly press into the ground. If it feels appropriate, close your eyes and let the world around you disappear into silence as you enter a meditative state. If not, leave your eyes partially open as the room's light fades. Now breathe in through your nose, feeling cool oxygen fill your chest and move inward. Invigorate yourself with life and exhale fully, allowing your shoulders to sink. Imagine you are wrapped in a dark pink flower with soft, wide petals that curl around you like a protective cocoon, embracing you gently. Each petal is plush and velvety, glowing faintly as if lit from within. Their plush texture supports your back, your shoulders, and your head as if resting softly on a pillow. The air around you is filled with the warm, sweet scent of nectar, a golden, honeyed fragrance. It encircles you in a soothing embrace, rich and alive with the promise of calm. Nestle into the petals and feel them gently enfold you, their touch as soothing and secure as being wrapped in a favorite quilt on a quiet, rainy night. Each petal has a small curve and its edges glow with a faint luminescence. This light illuminates your body with a warm color, an angelic tint that casts upon you a soft radiance. A gentle hum vibrates through the petals, resonating softly like the earth whispering a lullaby just for you. It resonates in your core. Lean back further and feel the petals cradle you more fully. The sweet scent of nectar thickens, blending with a hint of dew in the atmosphere. As you breathe in the warmth of your surroundings, envision it filling you with a radiant golden glow. This internal light emanates from your heart and spreads through your arms, legs, and fingertips with a gentle, steady brilliance. As you visualize its flow, synchronizing with your breath, let go of your stress each time you exhale, picturing any tightness lifting into the air and dissolving in the soft flower's glow. Akin to a mist, it vanishes in the morning sunlight. Feeling lighter, you drift into sleep and sense the flower expanding around you, its petals curling closer, the edges delicately caressing your skin, the hum deepening, and a vibration extending through the air. Pause here for a little while and relax. Come back to the awareness of the floor or the chair beneath you when you feel ready. Sense its warmth and stability gently guiding you back from the soft flower's embrace to the present moment. Your hands are at ease, fingers tingling slightly from the warmth as the air caresses them pleasantly. Take one final deep breath, allowing the cool air to fill your nose, expand your lungs, and reach deep into your belly, grounding you in this present moment. Allow the breath to empty with ease. Any leftover worries slip away. Lift your arms a little, then rest them, feeling the air warming against your neck as you adjust. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and take in the details of the room, letting the quiet ease of this moment weave into the rest of your day. A quiet peace remains within you, a gentle reminder of the calm you found within the flower's tender embrace.